Happiness is not something ready-made, it comes from your own actions. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Success is not the key to happiness, happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is now. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans.